They're so funny. There it goes. Move this a little bit. Perfect. Hello everyone, we are back with another video. I was not able to get it done before, so this is my own setup. And this is my cat Gremlin. He wanted to be in the video, refused to get off the table, so we'll just share with him. So let's start with day one, see how he acts. Oh my god, this is the Bratz thing, by the way. There is that. Oh, he wants to open it for you guys. Show it to them, Gremlin. Look. It's Chloe from Bratz. We'll put her here for now. I'll show you everything later. Let's go to number 2. They're like all in these little baggies. So I did kind of know this, which kind of sucks, but whatever. It's the boxes that go to the doll. So these go inside there. I'll probably put them together later. Take a picture for you guys. Put it on our social media. But these two go together. And as you see, all the numbers are everywhere, so I kind of have to find them. Oh, 3's up here. 3. We got Yasmin. This was actually my favorite doll growing up. She's so cute. They're all so cute. Big Bratz fan. There we go. Okay, number 4. Like I said, it's probably gonna be like you get a doll and then you get a box. Cheapy, but whatever. At least the boxes look legit and like there's their names. There's her name, Pretty Princess. Love. Okay, let's find 5. Number 5. Thanks, Gremlin. Oh. He's trying to help. Look at that. Yasmin again. And does this open? Oh, it opens. Oh, I need tape. I didn't know I needed stuff. Okay. You can do it, friends. Sorry, my nails are all messed up. This video is being recorded like a week later after I first tried to start doing it. Oh my god. It's so cute. It's a little makeup palette. And I've heard that you could actually use all of these. So I'm gonna have to test them out for you guys. Cute. Okay. So now we're on number 6. 6. Right here. Just so you know, guys, Gremlin's still with us. He just decided he wanted to go under the table this time, so it is what it is. There we go. We finally got Jade. I like how she has like a little winter outfit. Pleated skirt. I would wear this hat. I like her braids. So cute. 7. Oh, interesting. This one feels different. Oh, it is the box, but that's weird. It's not like the box that a Jade would be in, because this is a Bratz Rock Angels, and this is Yasmin. So maybe we'll get a Bratz Rock Angels later, which we would love. 8. This might be the Bratz Rock Angel. Nope. We got our Queen Sasha. This is a very like early 2000s outfit. I like her hair. I feel like these types of jeans are coming back in fashion for sure. Alright, next number 9. Sasha's box. See, it all fits, so I don't know what the Bratz Rock Angels is. Weird. Okay, yes. Pieces are all so tiny. Super tiny. This is lipstick. I wonder if there really is lipstick inside. Is there lipstick inside? So tiny. Is someone open? I just end up breaking it. Oh! Oh, I broke it. That's okay. We wanted the lipstick out anyways. I wonder if I could actually wear it. It's so tiny, guys. So tiny. Oh, no. Oh, wait, it does open. Does it actually paint, though? Wait, okay. Give me a sec. Okay. That was with the lipstick. It's like pinky. I don't know. I don't get the best lighting. It's very light, too. So I'll try it on my lips later on. Q. We are number 11 now. 11! Wow, we got another little jade. This is, it looks like it's from the London Punk series. She has her, oops. She has like a little British flag. I like the colors. It gives me like, Spice Girl vibes. Love. 12. So this must be her box. Yeah, this is Jade's box for the one we just opened up. It's fine. 13. Whoa, another doll. I like the dolls best. Very cute. Look at that. Another Yasmin in her precious winter outfit. She really is pretty in pink. So cute. Okay. I think we have 17x. Is that correct? No. 14. Sorry, I'm like skipping so far. Okay, so this is just the box. I don't get too excited about the boxes. I mean, it's cool to reminisce the collections from the past, I guess. It says wintertime collection. Wintertime collection. There we go. Okay, cool. Next. Game set. Oh. Another tiny object. Oh, it looks like we got more makeup. Might be more lipstick. Hopefully, if it is more lipstick, at least they don't be giving us the same color. I need a different color. It is more lipstick. It's like, oh my god, it's stuck in there. I'm just gonna rip the box, guys. Or rip it more. There we go, there we go. It's like, I don't know, this little paper is capturing it. Oh, this one's longer. Maybe this one's not. What? No way. It's mascara. Does it? Mascara. I think it's very dry. I don't know if it was supposed to mascara, but nothing's going on me. If it was supposed to work, this one unfortunately dried out. Okay, DC says. So 16 and right here. One of them, later I'll have to pull it out, fell into 2. I don't know from where. I did notice that, so we'll get to that. Oh, wow. She's Chloe's so pretty. I want this dress. Oh, that's cute. I like, she has like, kind of like different color streaks. Like orangey and blonde. This is probably from like a holiday special for sure. Okay, sorry my battery died. So let's continue. Real quick before it dies again. Okay, 17. Oh, 17's big. Whoa, was not expecting that. Alright guys. Oh, it's a big ass box. Oh, it's probably from her. Oh, she does need a big box. Holiday edition. I kind of want this one in big. I want all the holiday ones in big. Okay, 18. It's a race now. We need to get, hopefully we finally get a rock angel, because I still have that box. Oh, Oh, this is also from the London edition. Chloe? Yo, I'm loving the orange and blonde with her. So fashion. So cute. Okay, 19. There's her box. Bratz. Pretty and Punk. Sick. Okay, 20. Okay, we're back to finish this video. We got makeup. My camera died again. I found the charger, and then my cat knocked everything down. So we're trying again. But look, it's our queen Sasha. Gremlin came back out. You could go up here if you want, Gremlin. Just be careful. Here's some more makeup. Sorry if he's making a lot of noise. There's all these things everywhere now. Okay, so we're at 20, friends. Where's 20? Where is 20? Oh, we already did 20. So we're at 21. I get excited when it's a brat. Oh, it's a boy brat. And it looks like he's blonde. I'm pretty sure he's Cameron. This is for sure Cameron. Cameron goes with Chloe, and they are so cute. That's actually the name of my BF. Hee hee. Continue. Trying to record a video with the cat's hard. There he is. Complaining. Anyways, 22. Look at that. It's the box, and just like I said it, Cameron. Cool. I like the Bratz boys too. They go great together. And I actually really like the movies, especially the Bratz Rock Angels. Alright guys, 23. Another doll. We got some more Yasmin. I think this might be my favorite outfit from her so far of these dolls. She's so cute. I would wear this. I feel like I might need to wear this. Okay, 24. This is probably her box. Oh, no, this is Jade's box from earlier. Weird. Look, there's something here. I don't know where this one fell from, but it's there. Okay, here we go. I got it open. We have Sasha, Chloe, Yasmin, and Jade. Look at that. Mirror. Eyeshadow palette. This is rad, bro. I really like this one. Okay, now we're on our last one. Unless this is 25. Oh, that was 25. I knew something fell down. I guess that's a good way to end it. Sorry, all the dolls and everything was moved around because my cat jumped back on this and literally knocked it all down, so sorry for all the weird camera angles, all the editing today. Let's just move this forward. We appreciate you guys. I also have dogs and they're like right outside my room and they want to come in. All my animals want my attention right now. I'm not gonna vote a favorite because if I do, I'm just gonna vote this one just because I love the outfit. But they're all so great. This is basically the haul. Bunch of boxes, few dolls, few makeup. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you, friends.